is because for a lot of reasons, but in DoD, the idea of the manufacturing, the production, the supply chain is all things that the department thinks of as back office. It has been separated from what we think of as warfighting capability. And we have got to connect these two ideas, because this is obviously something that's very near and dear to my heart. This is something we think about at Govini all the time. And Mike, you said the right thing, which is this is very easy to overcome. There is data about all of this. There is data that the department does not look at around parts lead time, manufacturing capacity, latent manufacturing capacity, where it is in the commercial sector. And there is data that the commercial sector isn't looking at, or the industrial base, broadly, American industrial base, doesn't have access to, but it exists around the defense demand signal. And then there's this intermediary step that I think we should be mobilizing, which is getting companies that want to produce the warfighting capabilities, at the platform level, the weapon system level, get them the demand signal, because they'll put the word out to all the suppliers who may or may not even know that their parts are ultimately ending up in DoD programs or weapon systems, and guarantee buys.
Yeah.
Guarantee buys. That gives you the certainty that's going to mobilize these companies to
Totally.
keep those production lines up and running.